Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Widya Fitri. I will explain presentation about business process re-engineering or BPR. Definition BPR. Generally, the topic of BPR involves discovering how business processes currently operate, how to redesign these processes to eliminate the wasted or redundant effort and improve efficiency, and how to implement the process change in order to gain competitive. The aim of BPR, according to Sherwood Smith, is seeking to devise new ways of organizing tasks, organizing people, and redesigning IT systems so that the processes support the organization to realize its goals. The origins of BPR. Jalliers observes that BPR, far from being a new departure, is in fact a reversion to the classical school, one of strategic thinking popularized in the 1916, that is, organization make huge radical change when they meet competitive pressures which challenge the current process. BPR can be viewed as a response to such change and therefore fits in the classical school of strategy where organizations adjust themselves to new forms in order to maximize their profits. Next, business process re-engineering. Business process re-engineering is a process design, process management, and process innovation. Re-engineering involves reviewing organizational processes. That means designing the core business process instead of analyzing the current one. BPR is a technique about dramatic process improvement. According to Chen 2001, BPR is known by many names such as core process redesign, new industrial engineering, and working smarter. All of them imply the same concept which focus on integrating both business process redesign and IT use to support the re-engineering work. Next slide. Activities of business process re-engineering. Business process renovation. It is the redesigning of business process for the purpose of improving business operation. Renovation process involves streamlining key business processes, making of succession or continuity of progression of work activities, and sometimes combining other business process. Business process automation. It is the mechanization of business process in order to improve efficiency of the process by using ICT. Last slide, delivering speed. Speed is a competitive dimension that enables one to make the desired product or provide a service very quickly. UP is improved when the duration taken for a customer to receive a product or service since the requisition has been minimized or shortened. Customer can judge the organizational service as good or bad depending on the time spent during consuming a service at an organization. In this regard, organizations have to make sure that their business processes are effective enough in order to provide service that delight their customer. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone! Today I would love to talk about business process re-engineering.
Do you know what is re-engineering? Re-engineering is the fundamental rethinking and radical redesign. Business process re-engineering (BPR) focus on process rather than tasks, job, or people. Principles of business process re-engineering: organize around outcomes, not tasks. Subsume information processing work into the real work that produce the information. handling parallel activities instead of integrating their results. Have those who use the output of the process perform the process.
There are 5 stages of BPR. First one is on visioning to cost reduction and time reduction. Identifying is focused on important process to analyze the existing process. Redesign and evaluating to produce one or more alternatives. Lastly, test and implementation. We view as prototypes.
The advantages of BPR including quality improvement. BPR technologies increase the collaboration and blending of work process. It creates a clear picture of the procedure involved and the tasks to be accomplished. When there is complete accountability, the quality of work and in turn, the quality of product and services improve greatly. Cost reductions. Having everything nicely integrated, any kind of unproductive activities and unnecessary labor is eliminated. All of this reduce the waste time, which ultimately also affect the cost involved.
There are disadvantages of BPR. Overtrust in technology solution. Management are preferred to use technology compared manual. It's never change management thinking that can largest causes of failure, that lacks of support and perception that will lead to downsizing in company.
Okay, now let's take a look at this example of Ford company. Before implementing business process re-engineering (BPR), Ford a comparable process was slow and cumbersome until
they are re-engineering their process. Now, Ford is more fast and efficient. They are comparable, more smooth and parallel. So, Ford implement BPR is successful. So guys, I hope you gain some knowledge on BPR and implement for future competitive advantage. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.